In this video, I'll show you how to delete a payee on the HSBC app. I found a helpful article on this topic, and I'll leave a link to it in the description below. Let's get started. First, log into your personal internet banking account. Once you're logged in, click on My HSBC at the top left of the page and select My Bill Payees. You'll see a list of all your payees on your dashboard. To delete a payee, click on the three dots to the right of the payee's name and select Delete. It's important to note that if a payee has any future dated payments scheduled, you must first delete all the scheduled payments before you can delete the payee. If you still have trouble with this process, no problem. You can get help by clicking the chat icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open a new window where you can type a message and get in touch with HSBC's live customer support. They will guide you through the process of deleting your payee. And that's how you delete a payee on the HSBC app. If this video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.